Hey friends, it's your girls Alicia and Elise, formerly known as the TwinGodesses. Yeah, we went ahead and changed up our name a little bit. Thank all of you guys who have encouraged us to change our name because, you know, we've been talking about idolatry and blasphemy and all that kind of stuff. So we had to get rid of that name and I feel so much better. But anyways, y'all, I do have this gorgeous unit from AshimaryHair.com. So if you guys are interested in this unit, definitely check down below in the description area where everything is going to be linked for you. But this time around I did pick up Ashimary's brand new newborn hairline kinky straight invisible strap 360 lace front unit. I do have mine in 22 inches and you guys can see that texture up close and personal. What I love about this is that not only does it come in a kinky straight, but you can flat iron it with one pass to make it look yucky, or you can do some light curls to give it a body wave look. But this unit is a pre-everything, so that means that lace is pre-cut. Those knots are pre-bleached. It does come with the combs on the inside, which are removable. Also included is that elastic strap that's built in the inside, and of course that transparent invisible strap that makes the wig fit really snug without the use of any glues. But this is the way my unit came directly out of the box. I'm going to do some really quick styling with this unit. First things first, I am applying a bit of some heat protectant, and then I'm just going to take my flat iron and straighten that hair just a little bit.
I got the racks, yeah. I'ma show up with the gang, yeah. I like the flex, yeah. Damn boy, I'm really a threat, yeah. All my niggas be rolling up blind, but I told them it ain't what I want.
Now, whenever I get a 360 unit, I always like to lay the very back of the unit. So I'm just taking my hot comb and just combing the hair upwards. I also like to use some product sometimes, like you can use gel, mousse, a wax stick, edge control, whatever you like. And that's really going to get that hair nice and smooth.
Come catch your vibe, smoke out with me. I got the racks, yeah. I'ma show up with the gang, yeah. I like the flex, yeah. Slam boy, I'm really a threat, yeah. All my niggas be rolling up blind, but I told them it ain't what I want. It's some time with you, not anyone.
As far as styling my unit, I am opting for a center part, which I am going to change up a little bit later. But I went ahead and applied a part in the unit, and now I'm just using my hot comb just to redirect the hair out of the way. I also want to lay that hairline with just a little bit of some product and just use my edge band to make sure that the hairline lays nice and flat.
Pull up, hop out. We be doing things that we don't talk about. Don't say too much, keep a lock mouth. If they ask, we don't know what they talking about. We was just vibing, 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 we was just. Is you picking up what I'm putting down? They like cut on the back with another song.
Hey y'all, so now that the hairline in the back of the unit is completely laid, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the hair as well as the construction of this unit. Again, y'all, this is 22 inches, I believe, kinky straight texture, pre-everything with that transparent pre-cut lace. And now that I have the wig on, the first thing I'm gonna do is tighten those straps and then tuck them in. It's very simple. All you do is pull on that lever and it's going to tighten the entire perimeter of the unit and just tuck them in, and you really don't have to use any adhesives. But I am going to take a little bit of my Got To Be spray because of the fact that I am going to be doing some styles with this unit. I do want to lay at least the front part of the wig. Again, y'all, with the invisible straps you don't have to, but I just went ahead and sprayed that spray on and then blew dry it down, and now I'm just applying that lace right into that stickiness, and it should adhere really good. I recommend this. It holds for about 24 hours. And just to get that lace to blend in better with my complexion, I am going to use a little bit of some foundation. You can also use some lace tinted spray or some powder, whatever works for you, but this is what works for me. I'm also going to go ahead and melt that lace in by taking my Ashimary band and apply a little bit of heat on it just so it can melt down properly.
don't talk about. Don't say too much, keep a lock mouth. If they ask, we don't know what they talking about. We was just vibing, 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 we was just. Is you picking up what I'm putting down? They like cat on your back with another song. All for the love of the game, I just wanna ball. What happened to a little ups? I do not recall. Can be sliding down the block, see me riding clean. But I don't pop out very often, this is like to see. I got a whole lot of motion, I keep my pockets green. I get it cracking, that's the actor, you know how it be. Pull up, hop out. We be doing things that we don't talk about. Don't say too much, keep a lock mouth. If they ask, we don't know what they talking about. We was just vibing, 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 we was just. I know how the real ones feel it. I don't wait around, I'm a real go-getter, no ills in a minute. I'm a certified winner, blowing bands at the store. I'm a certified spinner, tryna ball all summer, so I'm working all winter. You thought they did it the biggest.
Okay, so it's been about 15 minutes since I went ahead and applied the elastic strap for the meltdown. I also did some real quick styling with the hair, and now let's take a look at these newborn edges. Yes, sis, they're calling it newborn edges. They are like a kinky edge. It looks very natural. Again, this unit is in the texture kinky straight. When you apply heat to it, it turns into a yaki. You can also put some body waves in this hair. This is their 360, so you're gonna get an ample amount of parting space, and the length of my unit is 22 inches long. I am 5'8", and this is where it falls on me. Y'all, I don't remember what the density is on this one, but I think it might be like 200%. It is very, very full and very soft. But what I'm going to do is put this hair up so you guys can take a look at that 360 just to see just how natural it looks, as well as those newborn edges. I'm just gonna brush them out, and this is what we are working with. I love the fact that this unit really pulls on my face, giving me like a little facelift, but I went ahead and played around with the hair just so you can see how the back end looks. Now I'm gonna put the hair up in a high bun just so you can see just how high you can wear the hair. Now y'all know I have a lot of hair up underneath these wigs, so it's not going to look the most natural, but y'all get the point. It's gonna look good depending on how your hair looks underneath, and y'all can see that it is gym ready. It is super cute. You can wear this out on the town. They did supply me with a few of these little bows, so I went ahead and I placed the white one on, and I think it's giving cutesy. It's giving very demure. I also wanted to show you guys what it looks like with a high ponytail with the bow, and again, it's giving cheerleader, it's giving let's go to the mall. I just think that it's super girly and just real cutesy. I don't really know what else to say. And this is how it looks without it. It's kind of just giving like a lazy Sunday. But again, this is Ashimary's 360 invisible strap kinky straight lace front unit. Let me know if you guys are feeling this one, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye guys.
Hop out. We be doing things that we don't talk about. Don't say too